Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making a wave dancer for audios or musics in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package over here, wave texture. KJO released this package 7 years ago. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of the whole project and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we should come over here in the tests folder. We have test scene. We have different types of wave dance. We have the green one, the red one, the white one, and these green dancers. Here, look at this. It is the red one. Look at this, and it is green, and this guy is that white one. Look at this. The resolution is different, and here it is for the level monitor. Yeah, sorry. And here we have these guys as well. Look at this. It is stopped at the left one level monitor, and it is the right one. Okay, but which music? As you can see, it's all of them have a wave texture. It is here, but position source, it is coming from track, and track is a simple audio source, and we can add any music we want. And in here, fast forward, we can say, okay, at the first of the scene launch, when the clip is coming, start, begin. Okay, now we can change the audio clip to this guy. Let me stop the game and okay, and say 25, for example, and like, look at this.
من و تو اینجاییم همه عاشق شب بیداری هممون خیلی وقتا نمیخوابیم بدون رویای رنگی انگاری وسط جنگی مشکلا نمیشه حل بدون صبر با چشای بدبین میدونم اینجا جون نیست میدونم دویدیم ولی جون.
Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.